Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So childrens, in this video we will learn the arithmetic progression chapter exercise 5.2 of CBSE board and the same exercise 1.2 of a Karnataka state board children. Okay, now the question is fill in the blanks in the following table, right? So you need to fill up the blanks. So they have given us some data, so you need to fill up the blanks, the remaining you need to fill the blanks, right? Now they have given a in some questions, they have given a D in some question, they have given a N in some question, they have given a N in some question, right? Now what is meant by A is nothing but first term, D is nothing but the common difference, and N is nothing but the term, and N is nothing but the last term, children, right? Now we will take the first one and we will solve it. Okay, the first question is, so they have given the first term A is equals to how much? 7. The second question is, sorry, in the second data is that they have given the common difference. Common difference is 3. And term they have given. How many terms? 8 terms. So what you need to find out, children? So you need to find out the nth term. Okay. So this is the first question. So we are finding the first question. We need to find the nth term, right? Now children, how to solve this? It's simple problem, children. You need to write down the formula and you need to apply the values, the data to the formula, and you need to simplify it. That's it, children. Okay, now here they have given a D, N. You need to find N. Now what is the formula to find the nth term of an AP? An. So therefore you need to write down the formula. An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the nth term, nothing but nth term formula, right, children? Now just observe here. You need to find out An, right? And here just in the formula, just observe. Here A is there, A they have given, N they have given the nth term A8. So therefore A8th term, I'll write the data here. First you need to write down the data. So I'll write the data. First of all, N is nothing but the nth term and D is nothing but the common difference. So all the data they have given. So nothing but you need to apply this value to this formula. Okay. Now the data. So data I have wrote already. Then also I'll write A is equals to how much? 7. D is equals to how much? 3. And N is equals to 8. So therefore you need to find out nth term. So therefore you need to find out eighth term, because the formula is an. So the nth term they have given 8. So therefore how many terms you need to find out? Eighth term you need to find out, children. Okay. So now this is the method to solve the problem, right? So you need to write down the data, you need to apply the formula, and you need to apply the values to the formula, children. Now just apply these values to the formula. Now eighth term you need to find out. So therefore A8 is equals to, now what is A? They have given how much? 7 plus what is N? So N is how many terms? Eighth term minus 1 into D is how much? D, the common difference is 3, right? Now simplify this. A8 is equals to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is nothing but 7 into 3. Okay, so therefore A8 is equals to 7 plus 7 3 is a 21. That's equal to 21 plus 27. Sorry, 7 is, it's 28. So therefore what is the answer? So the A8th term is 28. That you need to fill in this box, right? So here, so what is the answer, children? The answer is 28. Okay, I'll take the second one. The second one is the whatever they have given the data, I'll write down. Okay, I'll write the second one here. So they have given A is equals to 18. So therefore A is equals to minus 18. Okay. Now next, what they have given, you need to find the D, right? So therefore D is equals to question mark. And the third one is N. N they have given. N is how much? Here 10. So therefore N is equals to 10. And the last one is An. An they have given. An is how much? 0. Right, so this is the second question that we need to solve it. Okay, now how to solve this? As usual, Write down the AN formula. So what is the AN formula? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Now just write down the data in the left hand side, children. So what is the data they have given? So A is equals to how much? Minus 18. D is equals to question mark that you need to find out, and N is equals to 10, and N means nothing but the 10th term. The 10th term they have given N. 10th term is how much? 0. Okay. Now you have the formula, you have the data, just apply the data to the formula. Okay. Now an is how much? 0. So therefore just apply the values in the place of an and d. So an is 0 is equals to a is minus 18 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is we need to find out. Okay. Now here keep the 0 as it is, minus 18 as it is, plus 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9 into d is 90. Okay. Now 0 is equals to minus 18 plus 9d is there. Now we need the value of d, right? So therefore just send the minus 18 to the left hand side. If you send minus 18 to the left hand side means it will become plus. So minus is there, if you send means plus, it will become plus. So therefore 0 plus 18 is nothing but plus 18. So therefore 18 is equals to 90. I'll interchange this. 90 is equal to 18. We need the d, right? So send the 9 to the right hand side. D is equals to 18 divided by 9 because multiplication is there. Here 9 into d, multiplication is there. So therefore if you send the multiplication means it will become divide. So therefore 18 divided by 9. 9 on the 9 2. So therefore d is equals to how much? 2. The common difference is how much? 2, right? So we need to fill the blanks, right? Fill up the blanks, right? So here we need to write what is the answer. The answer is 2, right?